In this video, we will go over the principles behind the zRatios indicator. Don't be fooled by its common name. zRatios is an extremely useful indicator because it is built around one of the most fundamental concepts in technical analysis: Fibonacci ratios and other mathematical ratio-based retracements and extensions. First, it uses our proprietary pivot detection system to identify the most significant pivot points. Using those pivot points, it then automatically calculates a large series of ratios by combining high and low pivot pairs. As you can see, the indicator populates a profile-style visualization containing all the significant ratio levels. The brightness and length of the lines are proportional to the strength of the underlying pivot pairs. These levels can be used as traditional support and resistance, but also as potential price targets. In this example, using a higher density setting, you can detect clusters of ratio levels and use them as high-probability target zones. The colored areas between certain levels represent golden pockets and blue pockets, a term coined by our team to describe the mathematical inverse of a golden pocket. Now, moving to the settings panel. The density setting is the most important parameter and controls how many ratio levels are displayed. The compression setting can be used when density alone does not produce enough visual detail. The main color, profile width, line brightness, line width, and pocket area brightness settings are all fairly self-explanatory. The Show Pockets Mid-Levels option adds an extra dotted line precisely at the midpoint of each pocket area. The Past Bars Override and Future Bars Override options are designed to ignore missing values before the beginning of the chart or beyond the last available bar when calculating pivot points. Finally, we have the Time Synchronization option, which is explained in the Z-Time introduction video. This concludes our overview of the zRatios indicator. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Stay tuned for more explanatory videos covering the other indicators in our suite.